Hello students, hope you are safe, fit and healthy at your home. Now we will continue our topic of polynomials. In our previous class, we have solved few questions of exercise 2.3. Today also we will continue the same topic. Now see, our first question is find all the zeros of 2x to the power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2 if you know that two of its zeros are root 2 and minus root 2. Here we are given the two zeros root 2 and minus root 2. So if zeros are given, then we can find. So here since two zeros are root 2 and minus root 2, so this can be written as how? X minus root 2 and x plus root 2, that you know we used to change the sign. So after calculating a minus b and a plus b, this becomes what? A square minus b square. So here we are getting x square minus 2. So we can say that x square minus 2 is a factor of the given polynomial. Here this question is little bit different. So please listen it very carefully. Here we got what? X square minus 2 is a factor of the given polynomial. So after getting the factor, what we have to do? We will divide the whole term with the given factor. Okay, whatever the factor we got. After that, again, whatever the quotient we got, that we will split it into middle term. And after calculating, then only we'll be able to get the answer. Now see, here, so we will start divide x square minus 2, then we will write 2x to the power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. So here you know the division part, we multiply with 2x square, so we will get 2x to the power 4. Again, now you see here, if you multiply 2 with 2, it becomes 4, and here x is x square, so we want x square, and the second term is our what? Cube. So here what we will write at the place of square, so here minus 3x square, at the place of this one we will write minus 4x square. Again we know we have to change the sign and calculate, so this becomes cancel. What is left? Minus 3x cube plus x square plus 6x minus 2. Similarly, again we multiply. What do we want? We want 3, so we multiply x square with 3x, it becomes cube, and in the next case we will get 2 3 ja 6x. So here is our x part, so we will write here 6x. So after cancelling, we got x square and minus 2. Now if you multiply with 1, the whole terms become cancel. This becomes cancel. So our remainder is how much? 0. Is that okay? So this 2x to the power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2 can be written as x square minus 2 and 2x square minus 3x plus 1. This second part, again we can split it into middle term. So let us split this. This 3x can be written as what? Minus 2x minus x. So here 2x, x minus 1, minus 1, x minus 1. So here we will get x is equals to 1 by 2 and x is equals to 1. Is that clear? X is equals to 1 by 2 and x is equals to 1. We used to write no, that 2x is equals to 1. So x is equals to 1 by 2. Now see, so here we got how many zeros? Here we got again 2 more zeros. 2 was already given. So the zeros of the given polynomial are root 2, minus root 2, 1 by 2 and 1. Is this part clear to you? Similarly, this is an example we have solved. Again, we have to follow the same pattern and solve question number 3 of exercise 2.3. Now see, the same thing is there. Obtain all other zeros of 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. If again we are given two zeros, root under 5 by 3 and minus root under 5 by 3. So this we can write in that way, x minus root 5 by 3 and x plus root 5 by 3. So after calculating, we get x square minus 5 by 3. So we can say that this x square minus 5 by 3 is a factor of what? X square minus 5 by 3 is a factor of the given polynomial. Is that okay? Now again you tell what we will do. Again we will divide this x square minus 5 by 3 with the given polynomial. So again let us divide. Now here you will face little bit problem. Here minus 5 by 3 is there. So just you make a rough column and you multiply so that there will not be any mistake. So x square, we want 3x to the power 4. So we multiply with 3x square. Here is 3x to the power 4. Now see, directly don't do the multiplication because in such cases there is maximum chances of getting mistake. So in the side you do 5 by 3 into 3x square. This 3 get cancelled. 5x square. So here square is there, here cube is there. So at the place of square we have written. Finally this get cancelled and we got 6x cube minus this minus or plus minus. So 5 minus 2, 3x square minus 10x and minus 5 will come down. Again now see, we want 6. So just you multiply with 6x. X square into x becomes x cube. Again you do in the side 5 by 3 into 6x. This get cancelled minus 10x. So here x part is there. So here we have written what is left, 3x square minus 5. So again we want what, 3x square. Just you multiply with 3. It becomes 3x square and this see minus 5 by 3 into 3. 3 get cancelled. What is left, minus 5. So again you change the sign, this get cancelled and our remainder is 0. So now we get what, 3x square plus 6x plus 3. So the whole equation can be written as x square minus 5 by 3 into 3x square plus 6x plus 3. Again you do the middle term splitting. Is that okay? So we know how to do the middle term splitting. So here 3x square plus 3x plus 3x plus 3. 3 ja 9 and 3x plus 3x 6x. Again you take 3x common, x plus 1. Again x plus 1. So here 3x plus 3 and x plus 1. See, so here if 3x plus 3, so x will be how much? 1. 3x plus 3. So then 3x is equals to what? Here in that way we can write 3x is equals to minus 3. So x will be equals to what? Minus 1. And in the second case also x will be equals to how much? Minus 1. So x is equals to minus 1 and minus 1 are the zeros of the given polynomial. So in the second case also, here these two zeros are given, root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3, and other what we get? Minus 1 and minus 1. So in that way you have to calculate. Please try such types of few more questions for your practice. And this question I have done in the class. Now it's your duty to do the same question for your practice again and again. This much for this class. Have a good day.